Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to claim Socialgood referral code where you can earn crypto cashback, right? And I will give you some of the invitation codes too. The very first thing is that you have to come to Socialgood website here. Now you have to download this. And once you download, you will get $100. I'm not sure whether they give it or not, but they claim, right? Find the best deals and cashback with our extension. Okay, this is another feature, I think so, on up to 100% crypto cashback every time you shop. So here you can also use in a laptop or PC. You can earn crypto by playing the games. I'm not sure whether this application, whatever they claim, they provide you or not. So here I will give you some of the referral codes, right? So let's just get here, and here I mentioned it. The first referral code is X6UZJS, right? And here you will get $20 bonus in SG tokens where you can make your first qualifying purchase of at least $50. So here it is, and you can earn your cashback as your shop. You will earn cashback in SG tokens, which can be traded for cashed out once certain conditions are met. And you can also share the referral codes here, and with the referral codes you can also get additional rewards when they make qualifying purchases to whom you have shared your referral links. This is it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.